Have you ever dreamt of becoming a successful YouTuber, envisioning yourself connecting with a global audience and sharing your passions with the world? But does the thought of stepping in front of the camera, of being constantly on, hold you back from pursuing that dream? Do you find yourself hesitating, wondering if you have what it takes to be a traditional, face-forward content creator? What if you could build a thriving, profitable channel, a platform where your voice resonates and your content captivates, without ever showing your face? Imagine the freedom, the flexibility, and the sheer creative potential. Welcome to the world of Faceless YouTube, a rapidly growing niche that's empowering creators from all walks of life. It's a space where your ideas, your unique voice, and your boundless creativity take center stage, shining brightly without the need for constant personal exposure. Here, you can focus entirely on delivering value to your audience, crafting compelling narratives, and sharing your expertise, not on worrying about appearances or the pressures of being constantly visible. Imagine the comfort of recording engaging voiceovers in your pajamas, in your most relaxed and authentic state, or diving deep into editing videos late at night, fueled by passion and creativity, without the pressure of looking perfect for the camera. No camera anxiety, no self-consciousness, just the pure joy of creating content that resonates with others. It's just pure, unadulterated creativity flowing freely. This guide is meticulously crafted to be your step-by-step roadmap, your comprehensive blueprint to launching a wildly successful faceless channel that captivates audiences and achieves your content creation goals. We'll delve into why going faceless is not just a viable option, but often a smart and strategic move in today's crowded digital landscape, covering everything from how to set up your channel for optimal visibility and engagement, to exploring the best content ideas specifically tailored for creators who prefer to stay behind the scenes, maximizing their impact without revealing their identity. You'll learn about the essential tools and resources you'll need to create high-quality, engaging content, how to effectively monetize your channel and turn your passion into a sustainable income stream, and crucially, how to grow your audience organically, building a loyal and engaged community around your content. YouTube is more diverse and inclusive than ever before, embracing a wide range of voices and perspectives, and there's a vibrant community waiting to discover your unique perspective and connect with your content. Whether you're a seasoned expert in your field, a captivating storyteller with a knack for narrative, or simply someone passionate about sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm for a particular topic, Faceless channels open the door to the booming creator economy, providing you with unprecedented opportunities to build a fulfilling and profitable online presence. Forget the excuses, the doubts, and the limiting beliefs that have held you back. Now is the time to seize the opportunity and start building your very own YouTube empire, brick by digital brick, one compelling video at a time. Remember, you don't need to be camera ready or possess a perfect image to make a significant impact on the world. The only thing you truly need is the unwavering drive to create, to share your unique voice, and to connect with others through your content. So, let's break down those perceived barriers, silence the inner critic, and get started on your incredible journey. Your faceless YouTube journey, filled with endless possibilities and boundless potential, begins right now. Privacy is a huge reason many creators go faceless. You can build a brand and business without exposing your personal life. No worries about being recognized in public or mixing your online and offline worlds. Plus, you can pour all your energy into making great content. No need to stress about your appearance or camera setup. This focus often leads to higher quality videos and a more consistent upload schedule. Faceless channels are easier to scale too. You can hire writers, voice actors, or editors to help you grow. Removing the fear of judgment makes it easier to start and stick with YouTube. Consistency is key, and faceless channels make it easier to keep creating. Protect your privacy, boost your creativity, and build something big, without ever stepping in front of the camera. Start by creating a YouTube channel with a Google account. Choose a custom brand name that fits your niche and is easy to remember. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm will fuel your content. Design a simple logo and banner that clearly show what your channel is about. Use free tools like Canva for professional-looking branding. Fill out your About page with a clear mission statement and contact info for potential sponsors. Make your channel easy to find and understand both for viewers and YouTube's algorithm. A strong foundation sets you up for long-term growth. Your branding and About page are your first impression. Make them count. Don't overthink it. Just get started and refine as you go. The right setup attracts the right audience. Your channel is your creative home. Build it with intention. Now let's talk about what kind of content works best for faceless creators. Education channels thrive without showing a face. They offer a wealth of knowledge and insights, making them incredibly popular. Think about diving into history, exploring the wonders of science, or unraveling the complexities of finance. These topics can be explained effectively with engaging voiceovers and compelling visuals. Tutorials and comprehensive how-to guides are perfectly suited for faceless formats, allowing you to share your expertise without being on camera. This is especially true for content focused on software, mobile apps, or valuable digital skills. Screen recordings let you teach viewers step-by-step processes, making complex tasks easy to understand. And all of this is done with your voice guiding the way, providing clear instructions and helpful tips. Gaming channels are absolutely massive. Engaging gameplay and insightful commentary connect deeply with audiences, creating a strong community. And the best part? No face is required to build a successful gaming channel. Funny moments compilations, in-depth game guides, and comprehensive reviews all work incredibly well with just your voice providing the narration and insights. Paired with captivating game footage, you've got a winning formula. Relaxation and ambiance channels. Channels like guided meditations or those featuring calming music and nature sounds primarily use carefully selected visuals and soothing soundscapes to set the perfect mood for relaxation. Motivational channels often combine powerful voiceovers with inspiring stock footage and uplifting music to create a positive and encouraging experience. Across all of these diverse niches, remember that your face simply isn't needed to succeed. The quality of the content itself is the real star of the show. These types of channels have the potential to attract millions upon millions of views and cultivate a base of incredibly loyal fans who keep coming back for more. Always focus on consistently delivering real value, genuine entertainment, or much-needed relaxation to your audience. Your unique voice, creative ideas, and fresh perspective are ultimately what people will connect with and keep coming back for. So pick a niche that genuinely excites you and aligns with your passions, then dive in and start creating content that you're truly proud of. The possibilities for faceless content creation are truly endless, so embrace the opportunity and get started. You don't need fancy gear. Start with a good USB microphone for clear professional audio. Record in a quiet space. Even a closet full of clothes works wonders for sound quality. Use free software like OBS Studio for screen recording or QuickTime Player on Mac. Edit with free tools like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Stock footage and images from sites like Pexels and Pixabay keep your visuals engaging. Canva is great for simple animations and graphics. As your channel grows, consider paid resources like Storyblocks for more options. Background music and sound effects add polish. YouTube's free audio library is a great place to start. Use music and effects thoughtfully to set the tone and keep viewers interested. Focus on learning your tools well, not having the most expensive setup. The right audio and visuals make your videos stand out. Start simple and upgrade as you grow. Your creativity matters more than your equipment. The YouTube Partner Program is a fantastic way to earn ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours. It's a significant milestone to achieve. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly powerful. Recommend relevant products in your niche and earn commissions from sales generated through your unique links. Create and sell your very own digital products like helpful ebooks or engaging courses for even more income generation. Merchandise, custom t-shirts, branded mugs, or eye-catching posters can effectively turn your brand into a thriving business. Brand deals and sponsorships are yet another big opportunity to explore, even for smaller channels that cater to specific niches. Companies will pay you to feature their products directly in your videos if your audience is highly engaged. Having multiple income streams will make your channel more sustainable long-term. You actually don't need millions of subscribers to start earning real money online. Focus primarily on building genuine value and trust with your audience. Remember, monetization naturally grows as your channel grows over time. Great content is just the start. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your channel. But in the vast expanse of YouTube, simply having great content isn't enough to guarantee success. Getting noticed is the real challenge. It's about cutting through the noise and capturing the attention of potential viewers in a sea of content. The competition is fierce, and standing out requires a strategic approach. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. They're the gateway to your content. The first thing people see when deciding whether or not to click. Make them bold, grab attention instantly, clear and curiosity-driven, spark interest, and make viewers want to know more. A well-crafted thumbnail and title can significantly increase your click-through rate. Use high-contrast graphics and big text to stand out, especially on smaller screens. Ensure your message is easily readable and visually appealing. Since you're not using your face, your visual branding becomes even more critical. Consistency is your secret weapon. It builds trust with your audience and signals to the algorithm that you're serious about creating content. Pick a schedule you can stick to and keep uploading. Whether it's once a week or multiple times, maintain a regular rhythm. The algorithm rewards regular uploads and helps you reach more viewers. Consistent posting increases your visibility and discoverability on the platform. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and ask questions to build community. Foster a sense of belonging and encourage interaction among your viewers. Loyal fans will support and share your content, fueling your growth. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, and engaged fans are your best advocates. Don't just post and disappear, be present and interact. Show your audience that you value their input and are invested in their experience. Every creator starts from zero. Your first video won't be perfect, and that's okay. Embrace the learning process and view each video as an opportunity to improve. The key is to start, learn, and improve with every upload. Analyze your performance, gather feedback, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Don't let fear or perfectionism hold you back. Your ideas and voice are enough to make an impact. Share your unique perspective, and connect with viewers who resonate with your message. Open your laptop, hit record, and begin your Faceless YouTube journey. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that faceless content creation offers. The world is waiting for your unique perspective. There's an audience out there eager to hear what you have to say. Start today. Your audience is out there waiting to discover your content and become part of your community.